Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Dell 3010cn printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First we check our machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to our YouTube description. In the description, I give two links. First is the Mega and second is the Google Drive link. I give 64-bit link and 32-bit link. If machine is 64-bit, go to the Mega 64 or Google Drive 64. If 32, go to the Mega or Google Drive 32-bit link and open or click on the Mega link. I click on the Mega link and it's open in my web browser. After that, here we find three dots. Click on this three dot and here we find downloads. Go to the downloads. In the downloads, here we find standard downloads or download as a zip. Go to the download as a zip file, wait for a few seconds, click on the download as a zip and wait for a few seconds. First is downloaded on the web browser and after that it's directly download to your PC. It's downloaded on our PC, go to the downloads. Here we find show in folder in a download, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. This zip file actually is a setup file and we are going to extract this zip file. That is very easy and simple. Right click on it, click on show more options or go to the extract files. Go to the extract files, click on the OK. Here we find newly created folder or extracted folder, double click on it and here we find our setup file. Right click on this setup file. This setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to extract this zip file. Right click on it, click on the extract files. Click on the OK and here we find newly created folder, double click on it and here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers manually. Close it. Next step is go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find many options. Here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and here we find new option is pop up in a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Minimize it or close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. Go to the here and click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, 002, 003, 004, select any USB port that you find, click on the next. Here you find have a disk, click on the have a disk, click on the browse, go to the desktop, our drivers are in the desktop, go to the desktop, select our newly extracted folder, double click on it, and here we find one single file, select that single file, click on the open, click on the OK. Here we find Dell Color Laser 3010cn, our printer name. Select our printer name, click on the next. Give any printer name that you want. I give the same printer name. You can change this printer name also. I don't. And click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. It's installed in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. It's take less than 1 minute. After that, here we find two options. Do not share this printer. If you want to share this printer and network, then select share this printer. Last option, I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Dell Color Laser 3010cn, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.